In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a Facebook post. So if you don't want to lose your post, your image forever, like if you want to delete it but you don't want to lose it, then the best way to do it is to archive the image or the post. So to do that, you go ahead and find a post you want to delete, for example this one, and you have to click on these three dots at the corner. Then you have to click move to archive instead of move to trash. Hit on move to archive, and then I'm gonna do the same, for example, to this other post. Move to archive. Now if you want to view your deleted posts that is now saved in the archive, you click on these three buttons and then go to the archive here, and you should be able to see them over here. All of your posts that you have archived will be saved here forever. If you want to view it, just click on these three posts and then click view, and here you will be able to view it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.